Photography is a lot different than you think. And one of the biggest questions that I hate is,
what camera do you use?
To be honest, it doesn't really matter what camera you use. The real power lies in the lighting you use. And since we're talking about lighting, GVM just sent me a new light. It's their SD300B Pro line, so let's check it out. So it looks like they sent me the entire kit. That's the light itself, light stand, and a softbox. Now this is gonna make your photography stand out. Now if you're anything like me, I always used strobe lighting, and using consistent lighting is a new thing for me. But with GVM's Pro line, it makes it super easy, providing consistent lighting throughout the entire shoot. And that's how you get great quality content.